ang dugong gumuhit ng ating kasaysayan, ng ating pagkatao, ng ating lahi, ay ang dugo ng kabayanihan. Mula sa mga bakas na iniwan ng ating mga ninuno, ating ipinagpapatuloy ang kanilang nasimulan sa mga paraang hinihingi ng anumang panahon. Taglay ang ipinamanang kagitingan at inspirasyon. Dahil ang apoy na sumiklab ilang siglo na ang nakalilipas ay nabubuhay pa rin sa atin magpahanggang ngayon.
Today, we gather to commemorate the 126th anniversary of the proclamation of Philippine independence, a significant milestone in our nation's history. This day calls for moments of reflection, remembrance, and a renewed dedication to the principles that have guided our journey towards freedom and progress. As we pay tribute to the courageous souls who fought for our independence, we honor their unwavering spirit and sacrifice that paved the way for the birth of our nation. From the gallant revolutionaries who stood against colonial oppression to the visionary leaders who championed liberty, their legacy continues to inspire and cheer us as we confront present challenges and strive for brighter future. This year's theme, kalayaan, kinabukasan, kasaysayan, encapsulates the essence of our national odyssey. Kalayaan signifies our hard-earned freedom, a priceless gift that we must safeguard and uphold at all costs. It serves as a reminder of the sacrifices made by our predecessors and the duty we carry to uphold the principles of democracy, justice, and equality. Kinabukasan. Kinabukasan underscores our commitment to shaping a better tomorrow for future generations. It urges us to leverage the lessons of the past and the opportunities the present to forge the path towards the progress, prosperity, and inclusion. It calls on us to strive diligently towards realizing our collective aspirations for a more just, equitable, and sustainable society. Kasaysayan reminds us of the importance of preserving our cultural heritage and acknowledging the diverse tapestry of our shared history. It prompts us to contemplate the triumphs and tribulations of the past, learn from our mistakes, and draw strength from the resilience of our people. As members of the Philippine National Police, we are entrusted with the solemn duty of upholding the rule of law and ensuring the safety and security of our fellow citizens. On this momentous occasion, let us reaffirm our commitment to the ideals of freedom, democracy, and patriotism. Let us stand united in our resolve to build a nation where every Filipino can thrive with dignity, equality, and opportunity. In the words of our national hero, Dr. Rodrigo Rizal, ay hindi marunong ganyan sa pinanggalingan ay hindi makakarating sa pangunguna. Let us honor the sacrifices of those who came before us, the remaining steadfast in our pursuit of a better future for our beloved country. In closing, let us celebrate this day with pride and gratitude, mindful of the unique privilege and responsibility that comes with being heirs to the legacy of Philippine independence. May the spirit of freedom continue to inspire us, guide us, and unite us as we journey towards a brighter tomorrow. Mabuhay ang kalayaan ng Pilipinas, mabuhay ang pambansang pulisan ng Pilipinas, Mabuhay ang sambayanang Pilipino. Maraming salamat po.
Salamat po.